Well, hello. I understand that some of you want to do the Bible study with me and another group. And just to show you what we're doing, I'll go back to the home, right? So this is my home screen, and yes, it is in Dutch. Some of it here, I'll make sure it's in English, since that will make it a little bit easier for all of you to see what I'm doing, since it'll look the same. Well, not entirely yet. Did I not save it? Yes, well. Anyway, you'll see here it says at the top, "Good afternoon, Samuel," because that's my name, of course, and then scripture of the day and things like that. You can scroll down. You see my reading plans here. Mijn leesplannen, that says my reading plans. But you can also find them at the bottom here with plans. See that? Well, first, I think it's important that you go to community and you can see friends. Well, I don't have a lot of friends at the moment, but you can also add friends through either that or that button. And you can, there's lots of contacts in here that are according to to the app, all these contacts are in there, but you can also just try to find me. If you add my name in there, Samuel Visser, and look for that picture, it's not the most brilliant picture, but hey, you'll know it's me, and then you can join me. As you can see, I'm now friends with Dilip Maharjan, one of my friends that I used to work with at the Bible school in Nepal, and I completed day 1 of the 1-year chronological Bible and things like that. So this is my history. Well, we're not going into that at the moment. So if you want to join our plan and you've already been invited, you will have an invitation to join a plan, which will be in my plans. You can see here at the top, one of my other friends invited me to do the 1-year chronological Bible with him. I have to ask him about that because I just started that. You can see that the top one is an invitation and the bottom one is me already doing that plan. So there will be an invitation there if I have sent you that. If not, ask me and I can send it to you again. But the invitation will be for this reading. So, Jesus and the Jesus movement. Now, you can see that I have finished. You can see a check mark there. And N, that's probably Nikolai. Yes. We two have finished, and the rest hasn't finished yet. Now, what does that mean? You can see the 4 check marks here. It starts with Devotional in Luke chapter 1, 2, and Talk It Over. Now, Devotional, you just click it and it'll show there's a video here. Now, in the middle, you can just click that and it'll open up into YouTube or whatever video app you're using. But it does go into YouTube and show you an introduction to the Gospel of Luke. Now, after you've done that, you just press the button at the bottom here and it'll go to Luke chapter 1. Now, you read through this or you press the button here in the middle. And we'll read it for you.
1. Many have undertaken to compile a narrative about the events that have been fulfilled among us.
Well, and you can use all kinds of different Bibles if you want to read it in Dutch or in English or in, I think there's Nepali in here. There's Arabic, there's Farsi, there's Russian, Chinese, and so on and so forth. And I have seen Nepali in here as well. Here, maybe with the all. See, there's enough languages to go through. And I understood there was a pastor from Bangladesh who wanted to join as well. So there'll be Bangla in there, maybe. Here we go. M. And where's the N? N. There we go. I'm sure there was Nepali in there, but of course they use a different script, so that's why it's not in here. Anyway, you can pick different Bibles. You can see these are all my English versions. You can either download them So they're on your phone, or you can just read them and it'll download it directly while you're reading it. And you can see I've got loads of different translations here. So you just pick any version that you like. And once there's a sound mark there, as you can see with the American Standard Version or the Christian Standard Bible, that's the one I like to use, there's a voice available that can read it to you. Now, you go to Luke chapter 2, and once you've read that, you go to the end. By the way, if you play it so you have it read, you have the person who recorded that speak it and read it out to you, then it will go automatically from chapter 1 to chapter 2. Now, and then at the end, you press the last button and you write your response here. Just tag there, write your response, and my response is, I hope you all had a great start to this plan. If not, please let me know how I can help. Can, not van. Post. Now, and of course, during this plan, which will take 23 days, and afterwards we'll probably go into other plans as well, we'll have a whole bunch of notes here, and everyone can reply to others. Well, of course, I can't reply to my own, but we can reply to each other. And if you've come across something that you think is really striking or is really interesting, that's the way to do it. Now, and then you go to the check mark at the bottom, and you'll see that I finished my first day. Now, on the second day will be tomorrow, and you can see no check marks there. None of you has finished it, and no problem, of course, because the second day is going to be tomorrow. So I hope this clears things up, and this shows how you do it. So it's not a study in which I tell you what to study and I explain things. We're just all studying the Bible at the same pace, and not the whole Bible, of course, but just the book of Luke and Acts. And all this will hopefully help us in having a fun time together and learning something new from the Bible and from the gospel. So thank you for your attention. I hope this clears things up. If not, let me know, and hope to see you in here. Now, and if you are now watching this through YouTube and you're not in this plan, but you'd like to be in the next one, just let me know as well. I can add a maximum of 150 people per plan. So if there's someone out there who thinks, well, you know what, let's just join next time, you are more than welcome to do so. Thank you for your attention, and I'll speak to you later.